Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on the summer celebrity bangs section. I didn't record the sick foot here, so I went straight to the second layer of thinning. Later, there is a recording of the other side of the injured foot. It needs to be thinned to a semi-transparent layer before spraying with water. Use the deck to pinch the hair's edge. I forgot to mention, I usually split the deck into 2 or 3 rows for one tier. Mel Lou's approach was one stroke, one drawn in a pattern, crossing like this. After that, I kept adjusting my hair strands. You can spray a small amount of hairspray and adjust it with your nails. It requires some patience. The next layer is the same, deal cards first, play thinly, and spray water. Pick up the strands of hair and adjust them by hand. Watch my technique when you immerse yourself directly. Observe the front more closely. See if it's coordinated. I feel a bit upturned here. Just press it down with a needle. The next level is the same. If you learn it, just skip it. Start on the other side. It's all the same procedure. Still learn to skip directly. The details of the co-linked machine are tilted. Feet pressed together, even closer to the face. If you think you don't want to stick it, just insert the needle. She has been adjusting her hair ties. Give up and say it. I'm used to wearing 2 strands of hair on my feet. Connects with the back of the head. Repeated operations have been ongoing and unchanged. Start with the hairline section. I'm not very good at patching. Here, it's not burnt. Perm the hairpiece. The same time again. Still spraying water with a thin layer of water. Here, I'm used to doing things from back to front. Remember to make transitions. Be sure to look at the front more. Adjust the hair strands. It depends on personal aesthetic taste. Just go for the best look. Start doing it again. It's all the same steps. This layer must be connected to the surface mount layer. It must be crossed. Next is the final layer of the center seam. I thinned everything here in advance. The middle seam should have layers to look good. You can refer to the character design chart for details. Watch my technique. Let's review it again. Thin and spray water. Use the deck plus hairline directions. You can spray a small amount of hairspray. Adjust the hair strands with your hands. You can use your hand to support this hair socket. Or fixed with a needle. I think acupuncture for this scalp mask is too difficult. So there was hardly any piercing. Pay close attention to whether the front is harmonious. I feel the growth margin here is too high. Then it pressed down again. New babies can use needles more often as support. Mainly, I'm just too lazy. These are the fine details. You can adjust it using a pointed tail book or a needle. This is a bit further back. You need to connect with the back of your head. The same operation applies here. Once everything is done, you still need to observe and adjust your hair more often. Here, I put the hair strands from the top of the head. Picked out a bit. This is my first time recording a tutorial. Some parts may be hard to explain. The baby can offer some suggestions. After the adjustments, then spray